First, we show the motherboard, carefully placing it into the case and securing all the screws. Next, we open the CPU socket, lift the retention bracket, and present the Intel Core i7-4790 processor. We gently install the CPU and lock it in place. Then, we switch to the Intel Core i7 11th Gen cooler, showing the box, the contents, and the pre-applied thermal paste. We mount the cooler and secure the clips. After that, we insert 2 RAM modules, making sure they click firmly into their slots. Finally, we complete the last power and cable connections. The build is fully ready.